Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to change background in Jitsi Meet for your face cam. So basically what you'll need to do is right here click it and basically see if the camera is turned on. So make sure it's turned on and select your camera right here, and basically now just click on the X to exit. Then go and click on the three dots right here where it says more actions. Then go and select the background. So right here you'll be able to select backgrounds. You have a lot of backgrounds right here. You can just set to the blur or you can add your custom one. So basically you'll be able to choose your custom background from the files. So basically when you choose the custom background, just click OK. And now when you turn the camera on, you'll see that it is set and you'll be good to go. So, if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.